This is BBC One. Good afternoon. In 2 minutes, the start of the new regular weekend.
Well, g'day guys, and welcome back to the Boomerang Biker channel, or as we're going to call it from now on, the BBC. Now, here's a small problem that I've got. I use the twin power outlet at the front of the bike to charge up my phone and my GoPro batteries, which live in my Lone Rider tank bag. I've also got a drone, and that's got 3 big batteries that I need to charge up whilst I'm riding. I'm going to keep the drone in the tail pack, which is another Lone Rider item, but the problem is I don't have a power outlet near the tail pack. I have, however, got an SAE cable that I attached to the battery some time ago. I could tap into that. The problem is it's a constant live, so I do run the risk of flattening the battery if I forget to turn off any accessories. Now I think I found a perfect solution to that, and that's the 12 volt to USB Smart Adaptor from Quadlock. So today I'm going to unbox the adapter and install it on the bike. Stay tuned. Okay guys, let's take a quick look inside the box. So it's pretty basic really. There's your smart adapter with the power switch. I'll show you how that works a little bit later. And then inside the package you get an SAE cable with an inline fuse. We won't need that because, as I mentioned, I've already fitted one. You get some cable zip ties and a waterproof cover to go over the unit, and then there's the unit, and there's the end where the waterproof cover fits. Okay, so the next thing you're going to need to do is install this SAE cable onto your battery. Now, as I mentioned, I've already done that around about 12 months ago. I'll put a link up here somewhere, and what you need to do is go onto my channel and look for this thumbnail and watch that video. That saves me repeating the process here. I'll see you back here in a few minutes. Okay guys, so hopefully you've had a chance to watch the install video of the SAE to battery cable. As you can see, I've got mine quite neatly installed here. Once you've got that installed, all you need to do is get your unit, take the cover off the end of the SAE, and just drop that straight on there. And the great thing about an SAE connector, you can only connect it one way, so you know you're not going to short circuit anything. Alright, quick heads up on the unit. Basically it's a voltage sensitive relay, so it's actually designed to work at around about 13.5 volts. So as long as you've got 13.5 volts in your battery, it's going to work in the auto position. What that also does in the auto position, once your battery voltage drops down to about, I think it's 12.5, the unit automatically switches itself off. So if you walk away from the bike and the bike's not running and you've got, say, your phone plugged into it, it's not going to drain your battery and you're going to be able to start your bike when you need to. Well, that's it guys, I'm almost done. The only thing I need to do is run the cable up the side of the frame there. There won't be any issues with water because the unit is waterproof. And then I'm going to feed it into the Lone Rider tail pack, and I'll be able to charge up my drone batteries whilst I'm riding. So that's it guys, an easy install anybody can do in about 5 minutes or so. At 50 bucks Australian, the quadlock is a great piece of kit, and it's much easier than trying to tap in to a modern wiring loom that is controlled by CAN bus systems. Anyway, hope you found that useful. Thanks again for dropping by. Ride safe. Have a great day.